Assalamualaikum class 6. I hope you all are doing great. So class, yesterday we have discussed about addition and subtraction of linear expressions. Isn't class? Very good. So I have linear expression. Who will define this? What is linear expression? Linear expression क्या होते हैं? Yes, Sarin, you tell me. Very good. Those expression in which the power of variable is equal to 1. ऐसे expression, those expression in which power of variable equals to 1. क्या मीन है इसका? ऐसे एक्सप्रेशंस जिसमें हमारे पास वेरिएबल की जो पावर है वो क्या होनी चाहिए? 1 होनी चाहिए. तो हम उसको सिंपली क्या कहेंगे? लीनियर एक्सप्रेशंस. फाइन क्लास. And in this expression we have discussed two types of terms. The first is like terms and the second is unlike terms. एक हम लोगों ने कौन सी टर्म पढ़ी है? Like terms and the second is unlike terms. I'm going to write. First is like term and the second is unlike term. So who will tell me about the difference between of two? क्या डिफरेंस होता है इसमें क्लास? लाइक टर्म में और अनलाइक टर्म में? यस हादिया, यू टेल मी. वेरी गुड. जो लाइक टर्म्स हैं उसमें दो कंडीशंस हमारे पास गिवन होती हैं. कौन कौन सी हैं क्लास? द फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज द वेरिएबल इन बोथ टर्म्स आर सेम. ठीक है, जो वेरिएबल है वो क्या होना चाहिए? इट शुड बी सेम. And the second condition of like term is the index of variables, both variables are also same. So उस condition में हम क्या कहेंगे? अगर ये दोनों, if both conditions are fulfilled, then we can simply say both terms are like. ठीक है, एक condition क्या है हमारे पास? The first condition is the variables are same and the second condition, the power of both variables are also same. In this manner we will say both are like terms. Simple. Next we have another term which is unlike. So unlike से ही ये clearly हम लोगों को identify हो रहा है. Unlike means different. Unlike means different. सो इसकी जितनी भी टर्मिनोलॉजीज आएंगी इसमें वो क्या होंगी? डिफरेंट. मीन्स जो वेरिएबल्स हैं इसमें वो भी क्या होंगे? डिफरेंट. एंड द पावर ऑफ वेरिएबल इज ऑल्सो डिफरेंट. फाइन. सो इन दिस मैनर वी विल कंपेयर बोथ टर्म्स. फर्स्ट इज लाइक विच आई हैव टोल्ड यू एंड द अदर इज अनलाइक. फाइन. Now class, we have discussed question number 2 yesterday, in which we have the variables value are given. For example, I have the value of y is 4 and the value of y is 2, and I want to find the algebraic expression which is like this: 2x plus 3y. So what would I do? What would I do? Who will tell me? Yes, Rahim Imran, you tell me. What would I do? Simple. We will simply put the value of x and y which is given in the statement. So according to statement we have the value of x which is 4. I will put in it like this. Now I will write plus say a sign here. Now I will write 3 as it is. Clear है यहाँ तक सबको? I will write 3 as it is. Now the next variable which is y. So according to value of y we have 2. We have 2. So I will write 2 here. Fine class. So who will tell what is the next step? नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या होगा हम लोगों का? वेरी गुड. इफ यू लुक क्लास, in 2 and 4 we have multiplication, and in 2 terms we have addition also. So अब हम क्या करेंगे? फर्स्ट, according to Demass rule we have discussed in previous class. According to Demass rule we will first follow the sequence which is division, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, एडिशन एंड देन सब्ट्रैक्शन. अब यहाँ पे हमारे पास मल्टीप्लिकेशन इन्वॉल्व हो रहा है और क्या इन्वॉल्व हो रहा है क्लास? प्लस. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस सीक्वेंस वी विल फॉलो इट. और क्या होगा वो? फर्स्ट वी विल सॉल्व मल्टीप्लिकेशन विच इज 2 into 4. 2 into 4. When I will multiply these two numbers, I have 8 in the end, because as I told you 2 4 times 8. So I will write here. Fine. Now I will write plus sign as it is because we have plus in between. Fine. Now simple we will multiply these two numbers again, which is 3 into 6. 3 into 2 is 6. Now simply we will add the numbers which is like this. 8 plus 6. 8 4 upper 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. I have 2 digit number which is like this, which is 14 in total. So I will write 14 in the end like this. Fine class. So this is all which is related to previous lesson. Today we have question number 3 which is also related to this, but in this question we have variables are different. Okay, जो criteria है वो बिल्कुल सेम होगा. We will follow the criteria that we have done yesterday, but there is a slight difference between in variables. So we will do this. Now I am going to solve question number 3 which is on page number 90. Page number 90. Question number is 3 and the statement of question number 3 is given that A equals to 3, B equals to -5 and C equals to 6. C equals to 6, B equals to -5 and A equals to 3. Evaluate each of the following expressions. Evaluate each of the following expressions. Evaluate each of the following expressions. Okay class. Now I have a part which is A bracket 3C minus B bracket. A bracket 3C minus B bracket. So class, first of all we will put the value which is given in the question of variables is are A, B and C. Now you have to be very attentive. Now I am going to put the value of A, B and C which is given in the question. So for A we have the value which is given is 3. Now I will write 3 in place of A, which is like this. Fine class. I will write the value of A instead of A like this. Now I will write bracket here 3 as it is. Now what is the value of C? Very good, 6. I will write like this. Fine class. Now I have subtraction which is already given in the statement. So I will write as it is. Now I have B which is minus 5. Okay, which is minus 5. Now 3 as it is. 3 into 6 is 18. 3 into 6 is 18. Minus minus plus. Minus minus plus. हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन वाला रूल कब अप्लाई करेंगे क्लास? Who will tell me? When we will apply the rule of multiplication involving negative numbers. कब करते हैं हम? Yes, Usman Babu, you tell me. Very good. When we have a number which is in the bracket, but the number is negative, okay, and outside the bracket we have also a negative sign. We have also a negative sign. It is compulsory. When we have negative signs outside the bracket and in between of two numbers we have no sign, so we will simply multiply. We will simply multiply. So हम लोगों ने ये रूल क्या पढ़ा था? When we have two like signs, either both are positive or negative, so we will simply write addition in the end. We will simply write addition in the end, isn't class? Okay, now I am going to write 5 like this. 3 as it is. In next step I will solve 18 plus 5. 18 plus 5. So class, 8 plus 5. What is 8 plus 5? For upper we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And for lower we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In total we have class 13. In total we have 13. Two-digit number. So I will write the number which is at unit place like this, which is 3. And 1 as a carry. Fine. For next I will write 1 plus 1 which equals to 2. I have 23 after adding 18 into 5. Fine class. Now in next step, as you look, we have multiplication involving two numbers. And both numbers, if you look, we have positive. We have positive. How we can say that? हम ये कैसे कह सकते हैं कि जो दोनों नंबर्स हैं वो पॉजिटिव है? हालांकि दोनों नंबर्स के साथ कोई साइन जो है वो अटैच नहीं है. If you look, we have no sign attached with 3 and 23. Very good. As I told you class, when there is no sign with a number, so we will assume as plus sign. Okay? हमारे पास जो right side पे साइन होगा वो कौन सा होगा? पॉजिटिव. बट इन बिटवीन ऑफ टू नंबर्स व्हेन देयर इज नो साइन, सो वी विल एज्यूम एज मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन. ये आपने डिफरेंस दोनों में याद रखना है. व्हेन वी हैव टू नंबर्स लाइक दिस 3 and 23. ओके, इसकी जो राइट साइड है उस पे कौन सा साइन होना चाहिए? वी विल एज्यूम एज पॉजिटिव साइन. बट उनके मिड में जो नंबर है साइन है वो कौन सा होगा? साइन नेगेटिव. अगर तो ऑलरेडी हमारे पास गिवन होगा इट इज वेल एंड गुड. अगर नहीं है सो वी विल assume as multiplication in between of two numbers. Fine. Now we will do working for 23 into 3. We have a number 23 and we want to multiply by 3. So I will write like this class. ऐसे लिखूंगी ना मैं. Okay. So as you know class, it is the rule of any operation that we will start working from right side. So according to this sum, I have 23 into 3. Now I am going to solve 3 into 3 first, which is because it starts from right side. The first number from the right side is 3. Now I am going to solve 3 times of 3. which equals to, who will tell me? Yes, Ramisha, you tell me. Very good. 3 times 9. I have 9. So I will write 9 here. Fine, class. And next we have 3 2 times, which is equals to 6. So in the end I have 69. In the end I have 69. Now class, I have another part which is AB square minus BC. AB square minus BC. So class, according to this, I have a statement in which the value of A, B and C is given. Isn't class? Now I am going to put the value of A, B and C one by one. So who will tell me what is the value of A which is given in this question? Yes, Zakwan, you tell me. Very good. We have 3. We have 3. Next, who will tell me what is the value of B which is given in this? Yes, guys, you tell me. Very good. We have minus B. The value of B which is given in this question is minus B. Now we will write square as it is. Fine. We will write minus sign as it is because it is given in the question. Now the value of B that I have right already, which is minus B, like this. And who will tell me what is the value of C which is given in this question? Yes, Zuma, you tell me. Very good. 6. I have 6. Fine, class. Now, first of all, I will write 3 as it is. What is mean by minus 5 and power is square? क्या mean है इसका? I told you class, think up. Very good. As I told you, when we have negative sign inside the bracket and the power which is even means the numbers which ended with 2, 4, 6, 8. So we will simply write like this. minus 5 multiplied by minus 5. वो नंबर क्या होगा? 2 times रिपीट होगा या उस कंडीशन के अकॉर्डिंग रिपीट होगा जो उसने पावर में गिवन किया होगा. बट कंपल्सरी क्या है इवन के लिए कि पावर एंड किस पे होनी चाहिए? 2, 4, 6, 8 अप टू सो ऑन. ऐसे नंबर्स जो कि इजीली डिविजिबल होते हैं किस पे? 2 पे. उनको हम क्या कहते हैं क्लास? वेरी गुड. इवन नंबर्स. वी विल से इवन नंबर्स. ओके. नाउ सो 5 नंबर्स को हम सिंपली क्या करेंगे? मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, विच इज द कंडीशन ऑफ which is the rule of multiplication involving negative numbers that we have discussed already. If we have 2 numbers and both numbers having negative sign or like sign, so we will write in the end is positive. We will write in the end is positive. ठीक है? चाहे आपके पास यहाँ पे नेगेटिव है, चाहे आपके पास पॉजिटिव है ब्रैकेट में, बट पावर जो है क्या चीज होनी चाहिए? पावर कंपल्सरी होनी चाहिए कि वो क्या है? इवन. इफ इट इज नॉट इवन मींस ओड होगी, सो यू विल राइट नेगेटिव इन द एंड. ठीक है? दिस इज द शॉर्टकट ऑफ राइटिंग दिस टाइप ऑफ नंबर्स व्हेन वी हैव नेगेटिव इन्वॉल्व एंड वी हैव आल्सो पावर इन्वॉल्व. इवन इन ओड का बस आपने ख्याल रखना है. ठीक है? यू हैव now minus 5 into minus 5 is 25. Fine. Minus minus अब क्या हो रहा है यहाँ में? minus minus we have no number outside the bracket, so it means multiplication is involved. So minus minus plus 5 into 6 we will simply multiply because there is no sign in between of 2. When there is no sign class, I 30 as it is. Now in next step we will simply add 75 into 30. ऐसे होगा सम. अब क्या क्राइटेरिया होता है 2 डिजिट नंबर को ऐड करने के लिए? We will simply add one by one numbers. 5 into 0 is 5 and 7 into 7 में जब हम 3 ऐड करेंगे we have 10. So in the end we have class 105. We have 105. Is it clear to all of you? Okay. So class, you have to solve question number 3 all parts in your notebook. If you find any difficulty related to this, you can ask me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.